She don't want the gap sauce. Hit her with that down shit. Hit her. 1, 2, 3. Yo, what's good, y'all? Demoralized here, and we're with Monty S550. Yo, we're going to Atlanta Auto Fest. About to vibe out a little bit. You know, see some cars. You know, getting some gas right now. I'm riding in the 5.0, you know, my boy. I'm gonna destroy his clutch.
You ain't riding no slow 3 today.
She's shitting on 3 valve, man. But yeah, we're about an hour out or so. Atlanta traffic, if y'all know about that, it's ass. So probably be there in about maybe a little less than that if this boy's you know, feeling a little adventurous and wants to rip it a little bit.
For sure.
The WRX caught up to us. They don't want the Mexico action, bro. Come on now. Come on. Hit him with that triple hawk. Come on. Woo. Hit him one more time. Hit him one more. Woo. Bye-bye. Oh, shit. Nah, yeah, they got like 8 bodies in there. No cap. All right, I just want to put this out here. All right, it's 5:18. Let's see how long it takes us to just get inside. This event was supposed to start at 4 o'clock. It's 5:18. My friend sent me a snap saying they're still waiting in line. So let's see how long it takes for us to actually get in there.
Did you get that?
This is the last update for the update. So we're in the line to get in line. I thought this was people just barking, but we're in the line to get in line. Yeah, that's just kind of cool, bro. The S550, you got the SN95, you got the Cobra over there. Man, this is a dope lineup. I can't wait to see what this meat got in store for us, man. And of course, another Miata. All right, it is. Dang, I can't even tell. What is that? 5:40? Is that 5:40? He got my boy got it in military time. I can't tell. You know, he's in the military, so you know it should make sense. But it's 5:40. I think the last update was at like 5:18, 5:20, something like that. So it took damn near 20 minutes to get in, and we're still not parked yet. So we're still checking out a few cars, but I mean, ooh, that boy's shopping. Ooh, shit. Damn, bro, I'm slacking, bro. I need my shit to be chopping, bro. Oh man, this boy hates camber, bro. Anything with camber, bro, he's so against it, bro. This man be like, yo, this Civic has some ugly ass camber. I'm like, ooh, this Grand Sport, are they chopping though? Oh, he ain't chopping. But all right, I'm gonna give y'all another update once we actually make it in. Sheesh, we finally made it in. Dude, this turnout's insane. I think this is the G8 we saw earlier that was chopping. I think his little buddy with the V6 or the RT Challenger, whatever. Man, this turnout's insane. I knew it was gonna be a big meet, but holy fuck. Yeah, we're gonna look around for a little bit, see if we can find anything cool. This man's chopped, dude. Our GTO, my bad for calling it G8, whatever. But sheesh, what are these, some Vipers over here we got? What is this? Well, this is a Corvette, but we got some Vipers down there. We got a C6, it looks like. Man, this shit's wild. So apparently it's a 2-step competition now. Oh shit. Whoa. LS boy. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. I don't even want to get close to them boys over there. I know they about to get rowdy. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Oh. All right. This boy getting crazy. Everybody going crazy right now, boy. Everybody going wild with it. Oh, yo, his tips are cut off. His tips are cut off. Yo. Oh. Shit, if y'all watch Bladed Angel, you already know whose fucking Z06 this is. And boys still don't got the wrap on, man. Like, he got the license plate, but he don't got the wrap on. But let me tell y'all, this shit's so clean. Like, yo, this no cap, bro. This might be the cleanest vet I've seen in a hot minute. So you still see the yellow underneath it, but you know I ain't gonna expose my boy like that. Shit, that wheel gap though, come on, man. Look at that wheel gap. You got them big ass tires, that wheel gap. Hey, bro, I might have a 3 valve with some stock wheels, but shit, taillights hella sexy. Overall, dude, this car looks so fucking clean in person. Sheesh. With the boy, S197 Deku. Sheesh. Man, I thought this was a regular ass Stingray, and then you just got a Pro Charger hiding in there. I was just like, man, ain't even no Z06, and psh, dude, red wheels make it pop, but oh, he got that curb rash. Someone needs to learn how to park a little bit better. But this turnout is huge, bro. We got some bright ass Z's. The VQ boys are out here strong like always at these meets, two-stepping and whatnot. Oh, dude, yeah, this wrap is peeling a little bit. You can see on the hood, but I mean, this is mainly like the JDM section. This is like the back of the parking lot. Okay, what the fuck? What you got going on here, buddy? Man. And then there's like other stuff over there. I don't even know how to get to that side, but there's the whole the racetracks here. So, oh, what was that? Paxton 5.0? You hear that shit whistling? Ooh. Ooh, shit. My boy pops and banging.
Ready?
Yeah! Hell yeah. Yeah, back up a little bit, dog. Camaro.
Got your feet in my run you over.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Water ain't gonna help. You need more engines.
Oh yeah, it is art.
You need more engines, not water.
Oh, they're gonna hold his ass.
Yeah, but you can't hit that burnouts. Yeah.
Sometimes.
Yeah. Hey, bro, he got that effort though.
I need water.
Yeah. My boy about to go crazy with the vet. Yeah.
They got a VA 58. Honestly though, I give him props for his Honestly though, I give him props for his
Come on, John! Alright, thank y'all for tuning in today's video. I don't know how much footage I ended up getting. It did get pretty late here, and you know, a lot of the events did get pushed back because of how long the line was. So I'm gonna head out because I'm hungry. I need some food, dude. I'm starving. I'm probably gonna be able to still split this up into 2 videos. So we're gonna see how that goes. But thank you guys for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.